cellists, my name is Danica, and today I'm here to demonstrate for you cello audition requirements for Spokane Youth Sinfonietta. In this video, I will be playing 3 scales for you: a D major scale, E flat major scale, and a G minor scale. So I'm going to start with the D major scale, and my goal is to be able to play this D major scale cleanly and quickly. The next scale is E flat major scale, and I'm going to also try to play it cleanly and quickly, but this is a more difficult scale, so you can adjust your speed to wherever it needs to be for you to play nicely. Now the next scale is G minor, and this next scale is in quarter notes, so it doesn't have to be too fast. Nice. Now let's go over some tips on how we can make our scales sound better. I think for the first D major scale, it is really important that we've already learned about extended position, to extend your second finger to where your third finger normally goes, and that's really important for playing a D major scale. So the fingering on the C string is 1, X2, 4, as opposed to 1 regular 2 and then regular 4, right? So if you already learned about extension, then it's really wonderful. Let's try to play this D major slowly with a metronome at quarter note equals 72 with extension. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Nice. Now moving on to our second scale, which is E flat major. This is probably the hardest scale out of all 3. Before we even start, it's good to figure out what fingering you're going to use for this scale. My own personal choice is in measure 2, on the second note, the G, I would shift up to 3rd position and put my first finger on the G. And then on beat 3 of measure 2 on the C, I would shift back to 2nd position and put my first finger on the C. And then on the way down, I would do exactly the same fingering. So I hope you have a fingering that you like for E flat major, and let's try this scale out. Quarter note equals 72. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. How did you do on that one? Pretty good? Maybe we should try to do it once really slowly, like 1 note per click. Let's try that. 3, 4. on to the third scale, G minor scale. And I think we can just keep the metronome on quarter equals 72 for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. So, I'll see you on part 2 of this audition requirements with the dot sour etude. See you there.